Hi everyone, welcome in Python series. So today we are doing the brute force technique. So this is a very old technique, but how the brute force algorithm will be help in the solving the problem. So brute force algorithm is a straightforward approach to solving a problems by trying all possible solutions until the correct one is found. So let's suppose I'm taking the example for the password. So if you forget the password or you are the hacker, so what you are doing, so you will be try the all the combinations of password and you're trying to resolve that you want try to open that the thing, that ID or password. So how it will work? So that is a brute force technique. Brute force technique will be work approach for solving all the problem using the many combinations. So let's see how we need to write the code for the brute force. So first of all, I'm importing some library. So like I'm importing the hatchlib, then I'm importing the iterate the library because we want to iterate our iterate tools. So for so trying the multiple passwords and the other things. So I'm taking the example for the password breaking. So I'm writing one more here, that is the hash force. Let's create the hash force here. The brute force will be. So I'm creating one. So I'm writing the one. I'm writing one function here for the password. Okay, so how that function will be work? So this is the function. So return. So what we need the hash lib, and I'm writing the SHA 256. So this is a function for the encode that password in the proper hexadecisions. So I write it that hashlib dot sha 256 and the password encode in the hexadecisions. Then I'm creating one more lib function here for the brute. So the brute force, and this is my target hash function, the target function. So I'm putting here the target hash, target hash, and here will be the max length. So because let's suppose if you know the what is the maximum length of the password, so then you can break that password here easily. So max length I put it here, and next I'm putting the character. So let's suppose I'm putting here the how many characters will be there, so basis on that one. So characters, so I'm taking the string because maybe that is a string password. Maybe let's suppose I put it the s dot sky underscore lowercase. Maybe it's lowercase, uppercase, you don't know because according to that. So then I'm writing the string digit. So because you know these sometimes everyone is making like alphabetical passwords, so it's more secure. Then I'm putting here the string dot if you know that that password, your password will be the uppercase, lowercase, or the digit is a alphanumeric. Any special things are there, so you can write here. So then I'm writing the attempts. So how many attempts? Right now we are starting with the 0. Then I'm putting the for loop here, and for we need to run basically for length in range. Then I need to start with the 1. So I'm starting with the 1 and the maximum length. So max length we will go till whatever the will be assigned there. So okay, and plus 1. Okay, so this is the for the what is the length of the password and how it will be work. Okay, then we need to apply here for guess. So how it will be guess will be work. So guess in iterate tools. Okay, and dot product and the character and repeat length. Then what will we do? We will do the guess underscore password. Okay, and we are doing with the joining with the blank and the join with the guess. Okay, so this is for the numerical, then it will be go for this guy, then it will be go the guess hash value, then hash value will be we will guess, then attempt plus one. Now the loop go to the another again they will be go, and next let's write here to see, because we want to see what they are guessing. So I'm writing here attempt hash. So how many attempt they have done? So attempts the trying password. Okay, so how many trying the password? So trying password, then guess password. So what we write it there? Guess password. So they will be guess the password. Okay, and then so this is the output will be show like this with the password, then it's closed. Normal F for printing. Okay, so now we have the we printed that how many attempts they have done. Next what we need to write here, the guess hash. So guess hash is equal to target hash, then return the password found. Okay, what type of password they found. So I'm simply returning the guess password, not I'm printing here. So guess password comma attempt. So how many attempt they have done, so that I need basically. So we have the guess password here, okay, and the guess password attempt here, and then we need to come as a return null. So return none and the attempts. So this is the attempts. So this is we have write it for the function simply for this. Okay, so simply I need to remove this. So now I need to run this again, then return none will become outside of function. Okay, now you can see here, so I created this function. Now the next step is the simply we need to write the function for sorry, so next step is we are creating one hash password. Okay, this is a secret password. So I put it the hashed underscore password. Okay, and then I'm putting the hash underscore password that we declare in the above. So hash password, then let's suppose I'm putting the combination like 4 combination. Okay, so like IBM 123. Okay, so this is for 6 combination, and I put it the maximum length. So this is a maximum length. Then I put it the maximum length of my password is 6. Okay, then simply crack the password. So we are creating the one more here, that is correct password comma and attempts. So how many attempts they will be do, and the brute force. So brute force is the hash and the hash password, and this is the maximum length. So if password is correct, if crack, so it will be write that password cracked in attempt, else they will be write password is not correct. So now you can see here I run it and it's showing the combination. So as attempt, it is like you can see the attempt, how the attempt is going and trying a password. So they trying all the combination of the password, and the last if they found it the solution, so they will be write it. So that will be help, because the this brutal force technique will be help in the many ways. It's not for the hackers, it's also for the us, because if you want to find out, because sometimes this happen in the ransomware attack we have in the our system. So you can try with this, you can crack this, you can make the like this function, this technique, you can apply this technique brutal force, and you can crack that ransomware. So this is all how the brutal force technique will be work. So in the end they will be found a solution, and you can see that solution in there. Thank you guys.